Hey everyone, welcome to Anakapalle, a charming city that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban development. Nestled near the bustling city of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Anakapalle is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. It's part of the larger Visakhapatnam metropolitan area, which underscores its growing significance in the region. Located about 25 kilometers west of Visakhapatnam, Anakapalle is strategically positioned along National Highway 16, making it easily accessible. This prime location on the highway has turned Anakapalle into a vital hub for commerce and trade, attracting businesses from all over. The city boasts a fascinating mix of historical landmarks and modern infrastructure, offering a glimpse into its rich past and dynamic present. Serving as a gateway to the northern coast of Andhra Pradesh, Anakapalle's proximity to the port city of Visakhapatnam enhances its strategic importance. Anakapalle isn't just a city, it's a microcosm of India itself, where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. The local markets are always bustling with activity, offering everything from fresh produce to traditional handicrafts, reflecting the vibrant culture of the region. Anakapalle is also home to several educational institutions, providing quality education and contributing to the intellectual growth of the community. The city is well equipped with modern healthcare facilities, ensuring the well-being of its residents and making it a desirable place to live. For recreation, Anakapalle offers numerous parks and open spaces where families can relax and enjoy the outdoors. The city is also known for its vibrant cultural events and festivals, which bring the community together and celebrate local traditions. With excellent transportation facilities, including buses and trains, Anakapalle is well connected to other parts of the state and beyond. The industrial areas in Anakapalle are thriving, with numerous factories and manufacturing units contributing to the local economy. The scenic landscapes around Anakapalle, including hills and rivers, offer a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. And let's not forget the local cuisine. Anakapalle is famous for its delicious traditional dishes that are a treat for the taste buds. The sense of community in Anakapalle is strong, with people engaging in daily activities and supporting each other, making it a warm and welcoming place. As the sun sets over Anakapalle, the city lights come to life, creating a magical atmosphere that captures the essence of this wonderful city. So whether you're visiting for business, education, or leisure, Anakapalle has something special to offer everyone. Come and experience the charm of this incredible city for yourself. Anakapalle has a super interesting history that goes back a long, long time. This town, nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous empires and dynasties, each leaving an indelible mark on its cultural and historical landscape. From ancient times to the modern era, Anakapalle has been a silent spectator to the ebb and flow of history, its streets and monuments echoing tales of valor, trade, and transformation. It's seen lots of empires come and go, which has shaped its culture. The vibrant festivals, traditional dance performances, and historical monuments you see today are a testament to the rich and diverse heritage of this region. Each festival, each dance, and each monument tells a story of a bygone era, of a time when kings and queens ruled and the land was a melting pot of cultures and traditions. Think about the Kalinga Empire, the Mauryas, Satavahanas, Vishnukundinas, Gajapatis, Vijayanagara Samrats, and Golconda Samanta Rajulu. They all left their mark. The Kalinga Empire, known for its maritime prowess, brought with it a wave of cultural and economic prosperity. The Mauryas, with their administrative acumen, established a strong governance system. The Satavahanas, with their patronage of art and architecture, left behind magnificent temples and sculptures. The Vishnukundinas, Gajapatis, and Vijayanagara Samrats each added their unique touch, enriching the cultural tapestry of Anakapalle. Around 1755, when the Nawab of Arcot was in charge, Anakapalle was a fortified headquarters led by Kakalapudi Appala Raju Payakarao. This period was marked by significant political and military activities, with the fortifications serving as a strategic defense against invasions. The leadership of Kakalapudi Appala Raju Payakarao was instrumental in maintaining the stability and security of the region during these turbulent times. This shows how important Anakapalle has always been. Its strategic location and rich resources made it a coveted prize for many empires. The panoramic views of Anakapalle, with its lush landscapes and historical landmarks, are a reminder of its enduring significance. The historical timeline of different empires that ruled over Anakapalle is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Even during India's fight for freedom, Anakapalle was important. The town played a crucial role in the struggle for independence, with its people actively participating in protests and movements. The archival footage of India's freedom movement and vintage photos of protests in Anakapalle are a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by the people of this town in their quest for freedom. Famous people like Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar visited because they saw how much the people here wanted freedom. Their visits were a source of inspiration and motivation for the people of Anakapalle, strengthening their resolve to fight for independence. The monuments commemorating freedom fighters in Anakapalle stand as a tribute to their courage and determination, reminding us of the town's significant contribution to India's freedom struggle. Farming is super important in Anakapalle. It's how many people here make a living. The land around the city grows lots of rice, peanuts, corn, sugarcane and veggies. Anakapalle is famous for its jaggery market. It's the second biggest in India. People come from all over to buy and sell jaggery here, but Anakapalle isn't just about farming. It also has lots of small and medium-sized businesses. Things like textiles, engineering, cement and chemicals are all made here. These businesses create jobs and bring people from nearby areas to Anakapalle, making the city even stronger. Anakapalle is like a big mix of cultures and religions, and everyone gets along. Hinduism, Islam and Christianity are all here, with lots of places to worship. This mix makes everyone tolerant and respectful of each other. Festivals are a big deal here. Sankranti, Ugadi, Diwali, Dasara and the Mariamman festival are all celebrated with lots of energy. Everyone joins in the fun. Traditional Telugu music, dance and drama are also really important here. Kuchipudi dance, with its fancy footwork, and Bhagavatula plays, which tell stories with songs and dances, are really popular. Anakapalle and the area around it have lots of cool places to visit. This charming town, nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, offers a unique blend of history, spirituality and natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover or someone seeking spiritual solace, Anakapalle has something for everyone. If you're looking for something spiritual, check out the Sri Lakshmi Venkateswara Swami Temple. This temple is not just a place of worship, but also a marvel of architecture. The intricate carvings and the serene atmosphere make it a must-visit. Devotees from all over the region come here to seek blessings and experience the divine aura. Want some peace and quiet? Pedaganjam is a beautiful spot near Anakapalle. This tranquil village is surrounded by lush greenery and offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you want to take a leisurely walk, meditate or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, Pedaganjam is the place to be. For amazing views, go to Kailasagiri hilltop near Visakhapatnam. This hilltop park offers panoramic views of the city and the coastline. It's a popular spot for both tourists and locals, especially during sunset, when the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink. The park also has a variety of attractions, including a ropeway, a toy train, and beautifully landscaped gardens. A short drive away are the Bora Caves with their awesome stalactites and stalagmites. These natural limestone caves are a geological wonder and are believed to be over 1 million years old. The caves are illuminated with colourful lights, adding to their mystical charm. Exploring the Bora Caves is like stepping into another world, filled with fascinating rock formations and ancient legends. And if you love the beach, Rishikonda Beach near Visakhapatnam is perfect. This pristine beach is known for its golden sands and clear blue waters. It's an ideal spot for swimming, sunbathing and water sports. The beach is also lined with several eateries where you can enjoy delicious seafood while taking in the stunning views of the Bay of Bengal. History buffs should visit Sankaram, an old Buddhist site just 3 kilometers from Anakapalle. This archaeological site is home to ancient stupas, viharas and rock-cut caves. The site offers a glimpse into the rich Buddhist heritage of the region. Walking through the ruins, you can almost feel the presence of the monks who once meditated here. It dates back to the 4th and 9th centuries AD. The artifacts and carvings found here are a testament to the artistic and cultural achievements of that era. Sankaram is not just a historical site, but a place that connects you to the spiritual and cultural roots of the region. So, whether you're exploring the temples, enjoying the natural beauty, or delving into history, Anakapalle and its surroundings have something to offer for every traveler. The people of Anakapalle are from all different backgrounds, which makes it a really interesting place. Everyone is super friendly and welcoming, so you'll feel right at home. Most people speak Telugu, but you'll hear other languages too, because people from all over live here. The people of Anakapalle are known for their hard work and entrepreneurial spirit. They're always looking for new ways to do things, which helps the city grow. Anakapalle knows that education is important for a good future. There are schools for kids of all ages, from primary schools to colleges and technical institutes. Anakapalle has some really great schools that are known for helping students become well-rounded people, ready for the future. Getting to and from Anakapalle is easy. National Highway 16 runs right through it, so it's easy to get to Visakhapatnam and other places. There are also lots of buses that go all over the state. Anakapalle has a big train station on the Howrah-Chennai main line, so you can easily travel to many major cities in India. And if you need to fly, Visakhapatnam International Airport is about 40 kilometers away. Anakapalle has a bright future. Being close to Visakhapatnam, its rich culture and its growing industries make it a great place for businesses to invest. As Visakhapatnam grows, so will Anakapalle. By focusing on sustainable development, new ideas and education, Anakapalle can build a great future for everyone who lives here.